Augustinians, hope you all are fine and well at your places. This is your art and craft time and today I am going to make you learn Varli art. So get ready to learn this art. To do Varli art, first of all, draw a circle with any circular object like this. After making this circle, draw one more circle which is smaller than the first one. Now we will draw two figures in these circles. So I am taking this small circular object to draw the face. I am drawing two small circles like this for the face of the figure. Because Varli art is the combination of shapes. Draw an oval shape for the hairs. Now two standing lines for the neck. Now draw triangles for the body. We will draw two opposite triangles. For the legs and arms, we will draw standing and slant lines like this. And for the pot, draw a circle again and 11 on the top side of the pot and join it with sleeping line. For the hands, we will draw again triangles. For the feet, again draw triangles. Do the same with the other figure. Or two opposite triangles, standing lines for the legs, triangles for the feet, standing line for the arms. To show the drummer in his hand, draw shapes like this, two circle shapes and join it with sleeping line. Erase the center part. Now we will do designing in the circle. Draw just zigzag lines, or we can say just draw V shape which is joined together like this. Fill it completely. Now take the black marker and do the outline. After doing outline, just rub it once to remove the extra pencil marks. Now do the color according to your choice, as I have chosen red, yellow color for this Varli art, and I have filled the figure with black color. Now our Varli art is completed. Try this at home. Thank you so much.